you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to show you another Jeulia Jewelry piece. Do you want to know what I received this time? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, you know how much I am loving Jeulia Jewelry. If you guys want to check them out, they are linked down below. I do have my own code as well. I have a code which is SheCrafty15 to get you 15% off your order, which is amazing. If you guys haven't seen any of my other Jeulia Jewelry videos, I've done quite a few, and I have some of the pieces here with me to show you as well. But today is all about this new piece right here. Jeulia Jewelry does send me this to review, so thank you so much, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending me yet another amazing piece. You guys, this does come in a mailer bag, which I do remove, and this is what's on the inside. Let's go ahead and get inside, then I will show you my other pieces and tell you all about Jeulia in case you missed other videos. So let's go ahead and dive in. So when you get it, you open it up just like this. It does have a really nice bag right here. So if you are buying this for a gift, then you can put it right down inside of this bag, and they have everything already there for you. So you have the two handles, you open it up, there is a greeting card inside where you can write your own message, and it has their logo. And then down in here is an actual cleaning cloth. Oops. So they do give you a cleaning cloth. It is pink and it has their logo on it as well. So down inside the bag is your greeting card, your cleaning cloth, and your bag. So this is what it would look like if you opened it up. And then the product inside is down in here, which is perfect packaging. And then if it is a gift, like I said, you just drop it down in here and you're all set. You hand it over to who the gift goes to and you're done. But this is for myself, but I just wanted to show you, they do send this every time. So if you do want to use it as a gift, there you go. So they do come down inside of these boxes, and here is the box right here. Now, also inside is this card that says stop if it is something that is size. So if you order a ring and you choose a specific ring, there will be a tag on it. If you remove the tag, then your item is now non-refundable, non-returnable. You can't do anything. So this thing right here says stop, inspect everything first before removing any tags, or else, again, you cannot return it. So always check everything first, make sure it fits nice and good, and if it does, then rip the tag off. I get this for review, so even if I tell them a wrong size or it doesn't fit me, that's on me. So I always remove the tag, but I wanna let you guys know so you test yours first when you receive it if you purchase from them. So when you open up the box, oh my gosh, that is the ring that I'm getting today. Now, you guys, this is called something about a butterfly. It has butterfly in the name. That's why I chose this. Plus this has colored stones, and all of my other jewelry from them really doesn't have colored stones except my new my new ladybug here. But this one has some blue stones to it. This is just, oh my gosh, this is stunning, you guys. I will put in better footage of the ring so you can see it better than what you can see right now. But it's the butterfly. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. And it even has like, oh my gosh, it has like little blue right up the side as well. Like the attention to detail in every little nook and cranny in their jewelry pieces is amazing. So it has like that extra stones down the front of it as well. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Okay, so this is the tag that I was telling you about. And again, I always cut mine off because I'm not gonna return a gifted item. So let me remove that and let me get it on my finger. So I have it sized for this finger right here. I've never had a pointer finger ring, but I could very well, because these two fingers are pretty much the same size. So I could always do this number as well. This is my ring that I got from another unboxing. That was my first ring that I got right there. Oh, look it. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. I love the blue. And you guys know blue is my favorite color. So when I saw that, I really wanted to show you guys something with more of a colored stone with the clear stone as well. So you can see the difference between the color variations. But oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. And it fits like a glove. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. So other pieces that I have got from them would be, this is the man's ring. This is the one that I got for my man. So there is his pinky ring. That's like it's like filled with a gold color, even though they're all sterling silver. So there's that. Then I also have this amazing necklace, which this is my Jack Skellington. And this can be removed. So on the back, it has this little thing that you open up. So if you want to remove the dangle and just have his head, oops, you can have just his head. Let me turn it around. You can have just the head if you would like. And this part, and this part can just slip back on when you're ready to put it back on. That's the part that dangles. So I absolutely love this. I have a bracelet. I thought I grabbed the bracelet too. Oh, I did. I have the bracelet. Hold on a second. Let me put this back in here. So it has like a little line in the middle that sticks in there, and you just stick it through that line and clamp it. So now it's back closed again. And then here is my bracelet. Okay, so this one has an adjustable band, and there's actually little stones in there as well. Again, their attention to detail. And then here is my bracelet. You guys, I love this bracelet. I try to only wear it on special occasions because it looks so pretty. I don't want anything to happen to it. But this ring, I never take off. Oh yeah, and my earrings. These earrings, I've never taken off since I did the video for you guys. I've never taken those off, so those are still 100%. This ring, I normally never take off except to sleep at night. And now I have this new, oh my gosh. This new ring is just absolutely stunning. This ring was the one that I did before that actually opens up. It's the ladybug. So that one is their piece as well. Oh my gosh, they just have the best jewelry, you guys. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is just gorgeous. I love it. Thank you so much, Jeulia, for sending me this. Okay, so they do also give you this little pamphlet that's down inside of it as well, which goes over some of their collections. They just have so many cool things. They can't put it all in one book. Plus, they come out with new items all the time. So this talks about their sterling silver. There's my bracelet. So they have other collections in that as well that would match. They have sales all the time, but SheCrafty will get you 15% off. And again, I have them linked down below. They have wedding rings, they have engagement rings, they have promise rings, anytime rings, just surprise me rings. They have all different stuff, beach themed. They have so much stuff, you guys. So there's that. Definitely check them out. They are linked again down below. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit more about Jeulia so you know. Now, when it comes to their rings, the ring sizes go anywhere from a 3 to a 15 and every half size in between. So they go pretty big, and I love that because I have big fingers. So again, SheCrafty 15 will get you 15% off. The Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to a natural gemstone because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth by using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. Now on their website, they do have a little chart that goes from a Jeulia stone to a mined diamond and looks like a diamond. Both of them are checked. Durable, both of them are checked. Hardness is a 9 for Jeulia stone and a 10 for a mined diamond. So Jeulia stone is right underneath a real mined diamond. It's better for the economy, for the world, for everything because they're not using explosives or anything like that to get their diamonds. They're making them in-house and they're all handmade. Every single piece is handmade in-house and it's all 925 sterling silver. So density, the Jeulia stone density is a 5.70 and a mined diamond is a 3.52. 100% ethically sourced is only for Jeulia, not for a mined diamond. Potential harmful mining is not for Jeulia, but it is for a regular mined diamond. And you get a Jeulia jewelry item for a fraction of the price of a real actual diamond. And you can't ever tell the difference. I can never see the difference. And I actually prefer their jewelry over my real jewelry because it just looks stunning. It just looks stunning. I love it. So measuring an impressive 9 out of a possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, With proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be created in a colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. Now, they have 30-day returns. They have free standard shipping of $99 or more. They have a 1-year manufacturer warranty. They have flexible financing, secure shopping, and all of it is $925 sterling silver. So if you guys would like to see a video of how they kind of put things together that is from their website, I will go ahead and play that now.
My name is Laura and I'm one of the head designers for Jeulia Jewelry. Jewelry is not just something you wear, it's something you feel. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a way of life. Jeulia Jewelry has the ability to not only personalize the look, but also to evoke emotion and create memories. This is the very mentality of Jeulia Jewelry, and we create beautiful premium artisanal jewelry that express, that reflect who you are and what you stand for. Pieces that you won't only wear to ceremonies and parties, but that you'll want to wear throughout your everyday life. Our dream is to make you feel an emotional connection to our jewelry, which is why each of our personalized designs are 100% handcrafted to offer you what you love from our heart to your heart. Everything we offer is made in-house, so we know that craftsmanship like this comes from caring hands and not from an assembly line, to ensure that the end product is a beautiful representation of the woman wearing it. Inspiration is a finicky concept because it comes from one's perception of this reality, and so therefore you can open a book, a fairy tale book in your workplace and be inspired, and other times you walk around and you see random items and they push you to create the most beautiful jewelry. I would say in the end, making jewelry is almost dreamlike because it allows you to tap into your emotional feelings, which is precious. Yes, Jeulia, I love me.
All right, you guys, so there's the video that is found on their website directly. Again, I will link everything down below. You can go directly to their site. I will link each individual piece that I have. If you're interested in looking at one of them in particular, I will link each one individually so you can take a look at just that particular item, or you can look at their whole entire website. Everything will be down below for you guys, and SheCrafty 15 will get you 15% off your order. So I'm just so pleased with this new ring. My gosh, I can't. I love the fact that it has butterfly in the name because I love butterflies. I love the blue. I love the clear. I just think this is a stunning ring, and I'm so proud to be able to wear it every day and show my amazing jewelry piece that they made in-house, which is amazing. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Again, thank you so much, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending me another amazing piece to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it, and I greatly appreciate your jewelry. It is amazing. You guys do an amazing job. Let me just say, I love it. I love every single piece that I own, and I wear them all the time with pride. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the new item that I received? What do you think of all of the items that I have as a total for Jeulia Jewelry? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew, out.